Use extreme caution when handling Bifen or Talik for DIY pest control around your home. Bifen and Talik are professional-grade insecticides containing active ingredients that are highly effective against many pests but require careful handling to avoid harm. Always read the product label and the safety data sheet before you open the container. Those documents specify mixing ratios, allowed application sites, re-entry intervals, and required personal protective equipment. Put on chemical-resistant gloves and safety glasses before measuring or pouring the concentrate, and wear a long-sleeve shirt and long pants to reduce skin exposure. If you have respiratory sensitivity, you can add a well-fitting particulate mask that covers nose and mouth. Mix outdoors or in a well-ventilated area on a stable surface, and measure precisely using dedicated measuring tools that you will not use for food, never eyeball concentrations. Avoid applying on windy days or when rain is expected within 24 hours to reduce drift and runoff. Keep people and pets indoors and away from the treated area until surfaces are dry. After application wash, exposed skin with soap and water, launder clothing separately, and rinse equipment thoroughly following label instructions to avoid residue buildup. Common mistakes include using too high a concentration, which increases exposure risk and can damage landscaping, so always follow label mixing rates and reapply only at recommended intervals. A second mistake is treating areas where children or pets frequently play, which raises the chance of accidental contact, so restrict treatments to perimeter areas, baseboards and other low contact spots, and post clear warnings until surfaces have dried. Third, many people fail to store pesticides safely. Keep products in their original containers with labels intact in a locked cabinet above the floor, away from food and heat, and note the purchase date to avoid using expired products. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project discussion forums where we share practical tips related to safe pesticide use and other home maintenance topics. We help contractors find work by giving them a place to showcase services and join our community conversations.